Madison chapter for the Party for Socialism and Liberation are demanding the release of elderly inmates, the elimination of cash bail, pretrial parole, mandatory court appearances, and the expansion of health care for inmates at the Dane County Jail. Tahalil Mohideen has a look at this morning's Motorcade demonstration.
These demonstrators in downtown Madison are making their concerns about what they say is the inhumane treatment of prisoners known.
It's negligent that people are in prison now during the pandemic, especially when infection rates are so high, especially in prisons and jails throughout the country, not just in Wisconsin.
About 25 cars circled the area around the jail Saturday morning, honking, chanting. Earlier this week, Dane County Sheriff Dave Mahoney told News 3 Now the jail has taken measures to protect its inmates and staff. He says in addition to extreme cleaning and disinfecting,
we continue to work with our law enforcement partners from time of arrest with law enforcement to find alternatives to placing a nonviolent individual into jail, to our courts determining bail and probation and parole on revocations.
Mahoney also says they've already decreased the jail population by hundreds to allow for more distancing inside. PSL organizer Sawyer Johnson says for the people incarcerated and their families, this isn't enough.
What we're hearing from people on the inside is that they're not using those extra cleaning supplies, and staff inside the jail aren't wearing masks or gloves. So we, the public, are being told one thing, and then what's actually happening from elites in Dane County, like circuit court judges, is quite another thing.
Protesters want those inside the jail to know they're not alone.
Because I'm free and I'm able to protect myself with PPE, get testing, work from home, I want that for everyone.
In Madison, Tahlil Mohideen, News 3 Now.
Yesterday, a lawsuit was filed by the ACLU of Wisconsin asking the Wisconsin Supreme Court to release elderly and vulnerable inmates from state prisons who would be at greater risk from the outbreak. The lawsuit says the release is necessary to avoid inmates sick with the virus from flooding hospitals in communities where prisons are located.